In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to make a poster in Canva. Designing an effective poster is an art form. The objective is simple yet crucial. Grab attention instantly and convey the necessary information. Canva, with its user-friendly interface, makes this task much simpler. Start by exploring Canva's expansive template collection. Filter choices by color, layout, or style to align with your brand and audience. Your design should resonate with your target audience, so always consider them and your brand message while browsing. Editing text in Canva is seamless. Just double-click. Select fonts that align with your message and arrange them to establish a visual hierarchy. For emphasis, utilize bold headlines or vibrant colors. It's essential to establish primary and secondary focal points, integrating elements like logos or calls to action. Visuals can enhance or dilute your message. Canva offers a plethora of professional photos and graphics. Simply drag and drop or upload your own. Editing tools allow you to crop, adjust, or rearrange image layers effortlessly. The color selection should reflect your brand and the poster's theme. Easily edit any element's color and input specific hex codes if necessary. If templates aren't your thing, sketch your design on paper first. This visualization helps in the digital realm. In Canva, initiate a custom-sized design, select your desired background, and use grids or frames for innovative image arrangements. Further customizations can be done via the toolbar. Always remember that less is more. Overcrowding diverts attention. Experimentation and practice help you hone your design skills. The end game? An eye-catching poster that effectively conveys your message. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.